Good morning, guys. It's 820. What's up, you guys? So right now, you guys, I'm just heading to work, so I'll talk to you guys when I'm done work. Right now, you guys, we are done at least 3, 4, 5 buses. You guys, we are just charging them. So that is what's going on, you guys. We are charging them. So this morning I just dropped Rachel off at Room to Grow, you guys. I don't know why I'm bleeding a little bit, but that's great. It's fine. Anyhow, I just dropped Rachel off early on. Room to Grow, and then I'm also heading back to the base to do some cleaning shop. Yeah, so that's what's going on. And then also I'm just tidying up the place. And then I'm also gonna be we had 8 buses that we had to regen because it's so freezing cold. Some of 8 buses did not start this morning. So luckily we got them started before they had to go out, but some of them we had to wait for about 5-10 minutes ish to make sure they started. Yeah, it's just chaos today because it's so freezing cold. It's -12 right now. So yeah, it's so freezing cold outside. It's it's so freezing cold. So I don't know why. I think they should technically start every single day. But that's just my opinion. I think they should have someone coming in there that has keys that could just possibly start the buses Saturday and Sundays, so we know okay, this is going on, and if they need to be boosted, they can be boosted. But then you have to have someone there at all times. You have to have someone that knows what they're doing. So I just feel if it's a snow day, they should just make sure they start, because the cold can drain the batteries dead quickly, I believe. But I guess you can't shut them off because of the GPS and them stuff. So I don't know how other things to keep buses for not just dying because of the cold, because there's so much stuff going on, and it just drains. If they don't use it Monday to Friday, the battery just drains down because there's so much stuff running still. The GPS is running, the cameras are running still, because they have to for protection. But I don't know what to say with that, really, because they should, but it doesn't stop. That's all I'm saying. Hey guys, so right now, you guys, we are heading back to the base. We just got cleaned up a little bit because I've been doing a lot of cleaning today with a lot of stuff like that. So I'm just heading back to the base because I have a school route. So that's gonna be fun and exciting. I'm just getting some stuff done. Just going to do some crazy stuff. So just hanging out there, just doing my school route, and then I should be done for the day because I'm tired because I've been up since 6 o'clock. I don't know what's going on tomorrow, but I will figure it out tomorrow, because I don't know if I have to go to a different base to drop off a bus now, because we are doing that, which is kind of weird to me, but it's okay. It's all right. So I will talk to you guys when I am done my school route. Guys, so right now, guys, we just got stuck. So we are just waiting for the tow truck. So I'm gonna end today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode, guys. Do give a big thumbs up. Good night.